Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the chat function in the Vistara application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and click on the Chat with Viz button at the bottom of the page on the right. And here there's a virtual travel partner who you can have questions for, and it will help you with whatever problem that you have with flight status or baggage, travel information. So just type anything here and they will reply. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.